I managed to use up the whole pumpkin spice 12 by 12 paper pad and wanted to share with you what all I made. Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. I finally finished the pumpkin spice 12 by 12 pad from Recollections. I believe I started it in October or November of 2022. It is currently the end of January 2023, and I finally finished it. I got a little distracted there with the craft show season and holidays. Things got really busy, so I didn't get back to it, but finally finished it off, and I just wanted to kind of do a wrap up with you since it's been a while. There are videos. I believe I did a process or tutorial on everything I made with this pad. So that playlist will be linked below in case you missed it or want any more details on anything that I made. I did have 2 of these pads, so I had some scraps left, but some of it is also from this second pad. So there were 48 sheets in the pad to begin with. This pad has 33 sheets left. So I've pulled some full sheets out of here, but then there might be some scraps from this pad going in here. But I'm calling this one pad done. I will put these scraps with this pad, and then I can finish using it up next year or at another time. Let me get that out of the way. So like I said, you saw everything I made. I believe I started with some scrapbook pages. And these were all fall pages, and so I tried to use up most of the fall pattern paper and I guess fussy cut pieces first, because I had been saving the non-fallish ones for the journal project that I did at the very end. So I have 7 scrapbook pages here, 12 by 12 layouts. 8, there are 8, sorry. 8 12 by 12 scrapbook layouts. And then I believe in that same video, I also did 2 wine bottle holders. I didn't do, my intent was to come back and do another round of fall cards, but since it's January and I just finished the journals, I figured now wasn't a great time to do fall cards. So I guess I wasn't in the mood to do fall cards. So that's why there's extra scraps going back with that other pad. But I did a sheet load, and so there is a video on this as well. But I used fall papers, but I didn't do a fall sentiment. I just did general hello sentiments on them all. So 8 cards. And then I had made 6, I believe, of these hot cocoa packets where I had used like some bigger envelopes that I cut in half. I had 6 of those. I had a few left after my craft shows. I did 8 of these fry boxes. This was a tutorial. I did 8 of the fry boxes and had put pumpkin spiced themed goodies in here. And then I also did 3 of these like gift bag type containers, tutorial on that as well, and did them as get well, like gift packs. I have one of those left. And then you maybe recently saw the 2 gratitude journals that I did. And like I said, I was trying to save the non-fall specific papers for this. So this was just like the florals and the wood grains and the plaids, just anything that didn't have like leaves or pumpkins or anything specifically fall on it. So that was the 2 journals. And then I even took part of the cover. One thing I like about the Michaels, like the Recollections pad, is they have, you know, the kind of preview strips here, and they're perfect size for bookmarks. So I did take 2, and that weren't affected by anything going on, or I didn't really love that as a bookmark. But so I did make 2 bookmarks, and then there was another pattern here that had pumpkins on it that I would have made a bookmark because it was really pretty, but it was torn halfway down. So I just fussy cut out the pumpkins, and then fussy cut out the pumpkins and a piece of pie here, and I will put these in with that next pad, just kind of adds as some embellishments that are ready to go. So this is what I got from this pad. So quite a bit from that one pad, and we'll see if the next time I use that pad, if I can, the next of that pad, if I can come up with some new projects to make. But like I said, there will be a playlist linked below that has all of the process and tutorials. And I know this was kind of drawn out, like, you know, there's a big time gap, but if you liked seeing the tutorial or process on everything, let me know. It's not something that I can do with every pad that I do, but this one was kind of an easier one that I thought would make some good fun projects. So I can try to do that more often, or at least, you know, my plan is, or my goal with each pad is to do some process or tutorials, even if I can't do every project that I make with that pad as a process or tutorial. Some of them might be project shares, but I'm hoping to incorporate those with every pad I do anyway. But this was just one that worked out that everything I did, I think I did with you guys on camera. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully you got some ideas and can carry those into next fall when fall comes around again. Thanks so much for your time today, guys, and hope you all have a very crafty day.